Good morning, or
Morning.
good afternoon, or good
Hey,
evening,
wherever
or
you are.
yeah, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. I hope you're having a good day. Welcome if you're new, and if you're not new, thank you for coming back. We really appreciate you. We've got some great projects coming over the next few weeks.
Mm-hmm.
Tons of planting. Oh my
Yep.
gosh, so much. Today's this.
Yep.
So excited for
This
this
big ol'
urn.
urn.
This is at our pond area. Now, please don't mind the leaves and the mess. This is a pond. It's natural. We want it to be this way. It is by design. We've moved the leaves out of where they're not going to get in the pond. But anyway, let's talk about what we're going to put in this beautiful, beautiful urn today. This, number
And
one.
this.
Oh, this is so beautiful. This is a new Proven Winners Supertunia called Tiara Pink. And oh my gosh, this is going to be my favorite plant of the season. I'm going to call it.
It is pretty.
He doesn't like it.
Mine is still the, what is it called? Fuchsia?
Fuchsia.
Fusion?
Yeah.
Something? That
Supertunia Vista.
Supertunia is
Yeah.
my absolute favorite.
Yeah. And we're planting a bunch of those too. So
Mm-hmm.
subscribe if you haven't already. Come back and see that. We're going to do a mass planting of
Mm-hmm.
Supertunias this year.
Yeah.
Like mass. We have flats and
Isn't it
flats
like
and
40 altogether?
no, we
in
have 40
one?
of one version. We have 40 of another version and 40 of another version. So
Yeah.
80, 100 and whatever, 60, 100. I can't do math.
A lot.
Yeah, we have a lot. So please subscribe
Yeah.
if you haven't. Let us know what you're doing as well. We'd love to hear. Are you planting this year? Let us know in the comments. We also have the TR Blue, which we're planting
Mm-hmm.
another one, which is a blue version of this. It is raining today.
Yes. So,
We plant on the weekends because we work,
yeah.
right?
And of
And
course,
yeah,
it's going to rain all weekend.
yeah,
So,
every time.
yep.
But we're going to do it anyway.
Yep.
So apologies if you see some raindrops coming in. So this is our TR Pink. Tell me about the Coleus.
And this is the Colorblaze Golden Dreams
Golden Dreams.
Coleus.
We have a couple flats of that.
Yeah, it's really pretty, and it gets really big too.
Yeah,
It looks really
enormous.
pretty. Yeah, and it's good for sun to shade. But
Coleus in the sun.
but sun and always. Yeah, always make sure you plant it in the sun if you can, of course, because it gets huge in the
Yeah,
sun.
they're amazing. We're going to do an entire hedge of these, which will
Mm-hmm.
match our urn. They're going to be in front of it. Again, subscribe. Come back and see that. It's going to be in a couple of weeks when we plant those. These do get much brighter, and they have
Yeah.
a golden hue to them in the sun. These have been kind of in the shade,
Mm-hmm.
so they don't look quite the same. You want to show them the tag?
Yeah, we'll go into the tag.
And that's a little
if
bit
you're
more of what
curious.
they look like, just so you know. These do get enormous, but let's get these planted.
Okay.
All right, so here we go.
Let's
This
plant.
is the front, so I apologize you're a little off to the side there, but that's okay.
Yes.
You too. Um, this is the front of our container, and I'm actually going to check that because I want it to be directly to our road. Our road is here, our driveway is here, and our pond is
Mm-hmm.
there.
Yes.
So just so you get a little perspective,
But
this
our
is going to
willow is
be
here.
our willow. I know you love the willow. That's our favorite tree this year, 100%.
Yeah, it's gotten huge.
It's gotten huge. We'll show
Yeah.
you that a little later, though. Um, so we are planting this to the front. I am not doing a huge centerpiece in the middle. I did it on our last planter.
Yeah.
I'm going to do it again here because nobody goes back here except us
No.
to pull weeds, which we
Yeah.
need to do.
Yeah.
So we are planting it to the front, so keep that in mind. If you want to repeat this and do it with uh, a center thriller, I can't talk today. If you want to do this with a center thriller, you can certainly do that. You'll want to use more of the Supertunias and probably one more of the
Lemon Coral.
Lemon Coral Sedum, right? I know you don't like this one. I love this one. This
Not
is
my
one of my
favorite.
favorite plants ever. I love this plant. It just kind of fills in and makes a little ball, and oh, it's just a wonderful thing. And the bright color too, I love it. So we're doing 2 of the lemon corals. I've got 3 of the Tiara Pinks. I'm going to do a center filler of a Superbena, which I'll show you in a moment, and then we're going to do our Coleus in the back.
Mm-hmm.
But again, if you want to switch that around, take out the Superbena. You don't need it.
No.
Add your centerpiece to the center, which is going to be your Colorblaze Coleus. Remember, they're going to get huge, so they will try to choke out your plant. So
Yeah.
you may have to break off some side branches. You may have to kind of tame it a little bit because they really do get big, especially in the sun. In the shade, you might be a little bit better, but they will get big. So you could do your centerpiece in the center. We're not going to do that. And then I would do maybe 3 of the tiaras and 3 of the lemon corals and just do them in thirds around the pot. It'd be beautiful. So with that, I've already fertilized. Biotone, biotone, biotone. I love biotone. It makes a huge difference to me. Is it absolutely necessary? No. You don't have to do it. If you don't have it, don't use it. I've also done a slow release fertilizer. You can do Osmocote. We use one from our local garden center at Evergreen in Colonial Heights, Tennessee. It's called Kabloom, I think. I'm sure other garden centers have it in your area, but it's just a slow release that will feed them over the next few months. These need a lot of food. So,
Yeah.
with that, we're going to start planting.
Mhm.
I'm trying to be neater. It's not working for me. Okay, I've got the tiaras and I've got the sedums in. I haven't talked about this one. This is the Cashmere Pink Superbena, and these blooms are just incredible. Beautiful, beautiful soft pink. I think that's going to go really, really well together to bring out the soft pink in the center. I just love it. Now, this one, I'm going to read you the stats, and I'm going to tell you what I think it does. Spacing 10 to 14 inches. That is absolutely true. Probably more on the 14-inch side. Height 6 to 12 inches. I'm going to go more with like 14 to 16 inches. These will mound up and get pretty big. I will keep it trimmed back because this is going to mound in the center. I don't want it to overtake my Superbenas because these are going to be the star, 100%. This is going to go right in the center since we're planting to the back. So I'm going to pop it in, and then we'll just keep an eye on it throughout the season. A little tip with your coleus. If you see side branches, remember that's probably going to be your width. Now these will have side branches everywhere and they'll grow round, but to start, if you want these side branches, I want them to face forward like that so it grows that way.
I'm back again after he's done all the hard work.
These are so small. I mean, I
Yeah.
know they're large planters. They're enormous, actually. For most people,
Yeah.
they're pretty large. But when you're trying to plant, like it's not, two people can't do it.
Not at the same time.
No. So I usually do the planting, and then he sets up our camera angles. You're our cameraman, 100%, and
Yeah.
editor.
Yeah.
Yes. So I hope you love this. I love this. I think this
I
is
think
going to be
it's
so
cute.
nice. And this is going to fill out in the back. You got your Superbena that's going to fill in the front, and these are going to spill over the front. I know these don't look like much right now, the lemon coral, but they're going to bush up. They'll be really pretty, and they give a nice little pop of bright green right in the middle of your pink. So I'm in love with this. I think I'm going to call it. It's going to be my favorite.
It's not going to be my favorite, but I do like it.
It's going to be my favorite. Let us know what you think in the comments. Do you love this combination? Do you hate this combination? Is pink not your color? It's really not our color, to be honest, except for the fuchsia. But the reason that we did this coleus is, again, in the front of this container, we're going to have a huge planting. Our entire pond's going to be covered in beautiful annuals. So this is going to tie into all of that. So what are they going to do?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Please subscribe so that you can see all of our future videos. We have so many coming. This is just the start of our season. So we look forward to seeing you. Till next time.
Bye.